Take a deep breath in again. I'm gonna push again. Good, excellent. So what brings you in then?
I'm always in a lot of pain. It comes and goes because I'm on my feet all day. I'm a hairstylist. I've been doing hair for 27 years, so it's probably about 20 years that there's something always bothering me. Like inside, whatever, like that shoulder right in there.
Any other questions for me? I'm gonna get started.
I don't think so.
Okay. First thing I do is start with your posture.
Okay.
Okay, so just have us stand up for me right there.
Behind it?
Yeah, I just kind of didn't face me. Just a little bit of a pelvic shift into that hip.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you are really swinging on that right side. A lot of mobility here, and this side is really stuck. Don't be surprised if you find me really going hard on the left,
Okay.
because I'm trying to free up the left side
Yeah. To like even it
to
out.
kind of match it to the right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this side is really tight on your
Mhm.
right. I mean, it's just like a rock.
That's
Actually,
where I blow dry with.
it's just feel that. That's upper traps are just. Do you work out your upper traps?
I used to, but it's
Not
been
anymore?
no.
I mean, this is all from your
Working.
work. Like, just feel it.
Yeah.
It's just tight. There's no give.
Mhm. Yeah, I always feel like this side is tighter.
Tighter.
Yeah, like this doesn't feel as tight. This one feels really tight.
Just compared to, like, if you were to feel maybe her shoulders or the general public,
Uh-huh.
it's very, very firm and tight.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see what it does. Let me see how we got in here. Any
Mhm.
dizziness or nausea?
Nope.
And then let's test the other side. This is the tighter side. Anything here?
Mm-mm.
All right, so let's start out with some tissue work here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Turn, yeah. I go right into here. Take a deep breath for me. So I'm going to pull through this knot, okay? On the exhale, here we go. There you go. Yeah, it's a rough one there. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Suboccipitals feel good.
What's that?
Like the muscles around the skull.
Oh, okay.
Usually they're really tight, most people, but they feel good. This side is going to be tighter. All of this here.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Doing okay.
Mm-hmm.
There's just a couple of them, like about 3, and they're in different spots here. So I'm going to work through these in the middle of the neck. Here's the one on the back. There we go. These are more sensitive. Any colds or anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah, there's two vertebrae right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm going to correct these with a
Okay.
manual adjustment, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you got C1 and C2 out, chin back. There's one. Very good. How did that feel?
Good.
Is that okay? Because now I got to go the next one down. It's a little deeper, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. Right here. There she is. Perfect. Is that okay?
Yep.
Breathe. This one should be a piece of cake over here. This one's easy. Chin back. Good. Right here.
Ooh.
Yes. You did it. Hardest one. Hardest one out of the way. Chin back. That's it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I know it's a shock.
No, it's good.
First time, it's like, ooh. Especially if you haven't had it done in a while.
Yeah, no, that wasn't bad.
Yeah, I mean, that was, your neck went just how I thought it would.
Mhm.
2 tries on the right, 1 on the left. You know, you kind of, I had to do it in pieces on the right, and then they all went in on the left.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty normal. Oh, I just need a paper towel for grip. Weight isn't too badly distributed, though.
No.
Mm-mm. Oh, baby toe, sorry. It's like, there we go.
Numb.
Well, no, it just didn't want to go. It was crying. Okay, here we go. Any pain when I did that?
No.
There we go.
No.
There you go. Very good, perfect. Then bend your knee. Any pain in the low back when I do this?
Right when you first picked it up, not when it's all the way.
Okay, so here's the knee. Perfect. So, if I have your foot like this, I'm going to place, you're just going to have your hand here. I'm
Okay.
going to reach underneath your back
Okay.
so I can feel both the pelvis and the lumbar. Any pain then here?
Mm-mm.
So there's your lumbar spine moving. Feel that one? Nothing?
Mm-mm.
So it was just at that first
Yeah,
flush.
when you first pulled it up.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, how about this one? Does the same thing happen?
Mm-mm.
Hold on, look at the knee. Here we go, good. I'm gonna pull you down the table, okay?
Okay.
Pretty good. Any pain in your low back when I pulled like that?
No.
Okay. Come on up for me and test the neck. Just take it right and left. Right? That
Feels good.
So that's just these top 2 right here that I moved.
Okay.
I didn't take it down the neck. Not
Okay.
yet. Okay, just right here, these top 2 little ones.
Okay.
That's 50% of your range of motion.
Okay.
Right there. And then hands go on these little pads. Perfect. I've got your hair. I'm gonna do some tests actually first on you. I'm gonna move your legs. Any pain when I do this? Like in the low back or anything like that?
No.
Okay, and I'm gonna move this up this way. Pain here?
No.
Any pain here?
Nope.
Anything?
It just feels like tight.
Anything especially like into here?
No.
Same thing with this one. Any pain here?
No.
No. And again?
No.
Nothing? Even if it's on this side, you know?
It just feels like tight
In the front of the leg?
in the front, and then like a little bit like when you do that
Where? In the here?
in the side, like on my leg.
On your leg?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Got it. Is this where you say you're having the pain?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this is sciatica. It's big sciatic nerves. Right there, you can feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Anything change when I press here?
No, it actually feels like it's releasing something
Okay,
in my lower
good.
back.
Good, good. That's good. That's a good sign. So what I have to probably do is open up these holes.
Okay.
That's a strange concept, but there's little holes where the nerves come out.
Mhm.
And it sounds like these right here are compromised and being pinched.
Uh-huh.
So if I push on it, it's kind of one of those double-edged swords.
Yeah.
I'm getting rid of fluid, but at the same time I'm squeezing the holes. Whereas this is opening up the holes, which feels good.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's an opening move. But to adjust them, I actually have to push down. She's just so tight. These are gonna give me a little bit of trouble going in. Anything hurt right here in the low back? I feel a spasm, so I'm asking.
No.
Not too bad?
No.
Okay. Do you mind if I just roll this down
Yeah.
just a little bit?
Whatever you have to do.
Anything here? This is where I was talking about earlier.
Not really. I feel like
'Cause this can
anytime
also
you're
refer
pushing on
pain.
stuff, it feels like it's being released.
Okay, then a lot of this sounds like a big chunk of what you're feeling is muscle spasm
Okay.
and edema, inflammation.
Mm-hmm.
When you're asking a lot of your body, you have to put some energy in.
That right there, I feel that's like a little painful.
When I'm going in on it
Yeah.
like that. But the feeling is kind of shock when this goes in.
Yeah.
That's like, oh. So it is intense, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Let it all the way out. Yeah, they went in no problem. Again, little pinch and then
Yeah.
gone. When you use the arms, it lifts the rib cage high.
Uh-huh.
So I'm coming in here and I'm pushing them back down
Yeah.
in the reverse motion of what you do. So the ribs are sensitive when they go back down like that.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go again. And out, be as quick as I can. Oh, I gotta go a little deeper. Can I grab your shoulder? Yeah. Uh-huh. Deep breath in. There they go. Perfect. Breathe. Roughest ones. I get all the bad ones out of the way. Okay. Deep breath in again. Good. Perfect. Any pain on your chest?
No.
Okay, good. And again. Oh, excellent. These went in.
Okay.
Great.
Not bad.
Well, that's your area that you're hurting.
Yeah.
That's giving you the referred pain. I'm going to pull.
Okay.
A little pinch. Perfect. Deep breath in. Exhale. You actually have a big knot over here.
Do I?
I'm not sure if you feel it right here. It's up here on this side, and then it actually disappears. It feels great. Let me check. I gotta move this a little bit down. I just gotta see how it translates into the pelvis. Like, where does it start on her? It's more into the pelvis right here.
That I feel.
Okay. Yeah, so it's more, your mid back is locked over here on the right,
Uh-huh.
and then it feels great in the low back. And then, bam, oh no. Okay, here, not so much here. Huge spasm here. Then really not too much here. So you're gonna feel my elbow press into here, okay?
Okay.
If we can handle it. If not, I'll back off. Get into there. Good. So breathe. I'm gonna push on this knot. Right here. Yeah. Good. Breathe. Short sits there. Excellent. Okay, hold a second. That's it. I'm gonna go through your ribs here. There's some ribs out of place. Here we go. Tickles a little bit. Yeah, big congestion right here, okay? And I'm gonna go through that one.
Okay.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I feel that.
There's a nerve that
Uh-huh.
that runs right here, right to where you're saying around. It kind of wraps around, and it actually goes down the lateral thigh.
Okay.
And yeah, there's a knot there. Big spasm. So here we go. I'm gonna open these up. Breathe. Here we go, here we go. There it goes. Good. Okay, perfect. I'm not sure if you can tell, it's just really spasmed over here.
I can feel it.
Yeah, it's on the other side. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one apart over here on this side. I'm working my way in. You stop me, okay? It's
Mhm.
pretty deep in there. This one's just lingering. Yeah, right in there. Okay. But this one let go. So I'm gonna work on it a little bit more with the scraper, but it's getting
Okay.
hot. So I'm gonna distract you a little bit with the feet, okay?
Okay.
Just kind of move some of the blood down here. Like, okay, big thoughts down here instead. You check your feet here. Big knot there. That's from standing.
Oh yeah, I rub them all the time.
I know. There's nothing wrong. Just big. That's just a thick muscle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like me.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just standing on them. It's like a big workout for the feet. There it is. Good. Perfect. Just for my purposes, I want it to loosen up just a tad.
Yeah.
Okay. This is just going to pull some blood into here, okay?
Okay.
Working on that superficial layer of tissue. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just like one little spot, but not too bad.
Mm-hmm.
You got a little one here. I can feel the squishy, like edema.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go into your ribs a little bit.
Sure.
Again, into the ribs. Doing okay?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go over to here. This side, it just is a little stuck right here,
Uh-huh.
right there. Big muscle group holding you up here.
Yeah, I
Piriformis
can
muscle.
feel that.
Okay, it's really there. That's what I'm saying. we go. You tell me, okay?
Mhm.
So let me investigate this arm behind your back for me. That pops the scapula up, so I can kind of get underneath there. I got you. Relax here. That's it. Breathe. And here we go. Okay. And again. This arm up. Good, good, good. Worst is over. But, well, no, I lied.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Okay, okay. Well, there we go. Need definitely some more work done in here. We all do. Anytime you work with your hands, okay?
Mhm.
You can just relax that down. There you go. Too much?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Breathe. Go into here. Ow. I might have to push on that a little bit with my elbow.
Okay.
It's pretty tight here.
Mhm.
Up and then again. Come up into this corner. Wow. Whoa. Breathe there for a second. All right, I'm gonna check underneath the scapula, but I don't feel as much as the other side. Now it's pretty free. Take a deep breath in again. I'm gonna push again. Good, excellent. Hey, it's feeling pretty good. All right, it's not bad. Not bad. Does that hurt a little bit too much?
Not really.
Okay. I'm trying to clean this little one out here. There we go.
Ooh,
That
got
little bit.
that.
Okay, tuck your chin for me. And then you can relax. Just checking the fascia in the scalp.
Mm-hmm.
The only one I kind of feel is right here.
What does that mean?
Like a little bit of edema.
Oh, okay.
Like a little bit of, like it might feel a little uncomfortable right in here. I'm trying to clean that out for you. There you go. Come this way for me. All right.
Mhm.
How's this feeling down in here?
Feels good.
Feels good.
Mhm.
Okay. Breathe. I'm going to be right in here on this pelvis. Okay, we're going to have to go a little more. Did that hurt?
Mm-hmm.
That's how it goes. Good. Other side. I'm going to roll you though. Is any pain here?
No.
I'm going to be right here on your pelvis.
Okay.
Head back for me. Take a deep breath in. That should feel good. That was a little pocket of fluid there. Good. Come on, sit for me. There you go. Sit up as straight as you can. We should have more motion now. Good. Elbow back. Just your elbow right here into mine.
Going back.
Yep. Perfect. Lean away. Ooh. Sore wrists.
About that.
Yeah. Probably just clenching all the time.
Yeah.
Again, hand on your hip. Sit straight with me. Good. Elbow back. Oh, yep, that's all I'm gonna go. So that one's loose. And like, I'm not gonna go push into that one, okay? Perfect. Just setting these bones, trying to push them back to neutral is what we call it. And lean away from me. Perfect, good. There it goes. So I'm gonna reach in here.
Okay.
All right, deep breath in. There we go, I got you. Any pressure on your chest. There you go, there's one.
Oh, I felt that.
Yeah, is that okay?
Uh-huh.
It's deep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get a couple of more. Good, and there's one up higher. Perfect. Down. Okay, now have a seat on the ground. Phew, you did it.
Like this?
Yeah. Right here. You're gonna lay down all the way. kind of center it for me. Bend your knees. Hands go out to the side. You're actually stretching the front.
Like pulling this apart.
Yeah. Whenever you feel like getting off, it's been about 5 minutes. Now come on back, and I'm going to show you how to get off. Sorry. All the way back. Hands like this, and then you're going to roll to the side. Perfect.
Like that?
That's
Like
ideal. That just keeps the stretch as you come off. I know.
Oh, this is cool.
One day.
You'll have it.
One day. Yeah.
It has your name on it.
I know. They did such a good job, too. Like, just to find a company to glue all the pieces.
Yeah.
We're there. We're like halfway there.
Yeah.
We're just lucky we have like anything in our hands.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, how do you feel?
I feel really good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you're feeling like it's coming undone by like tonight, go. If you have a foam roller, go ahead and lay on it.
Mhm.
Just keep it up
That
in
felt
here.
good. I could feel it stretching. And releasing. Releasing here and opening up here.
You can do it yourself at home.
Okay.
You know, you can do that. Just think of it more up here.
Is that correct?
Think of it more up in here. People
Okay.
place it here, and I'm like,
Yeah.
up
Do it in
here.
here.
Yeah.